This bag is extremely durable. Let me show it to you.
This isn't your average backpack. It's not built for trends, it's built for battle. Meet the Drypak, a rugged, water-resistant backpack designed to survive the wild and the weekday. Whether you're heading to the gym, jumping on a flight, or chasing the next mountain, Drypak has your back. Literally. Built with military-grade materials, it's tough enough to be dragged across gravel and still look fresh. And water doesn't stand a chance. Inside, smart compartments keep your gear tight and organized. No more digging for cables, snacks, or your laptop. The backpack compresses in seconds, perfectly sized for everyday use. Created by Subtech, the award-winning brand trusted by some of the world's top extreme sport athletes, proven by world record adventurers, and now chosen by you. Drypak isn't just a backpack, it's your all-terrain companion. Wherever you go, city or summit, it's ready. Are you?